Hi, I'm Judy Weiniger with the Weiniger Group, and I'm here today at this beautiful listing to give you a personal tour you surely don't want to miss. This custom 5-bedroom, light-filled home is warm and welcoming. Here are my top 4 reasons why I love this home and why you should definitely come see it in person. Number 1, comfortable living. The kitchen is the heart of the home. It's what every buyer is looking for. The gorgeous quartz island is the perfect gathering spot. And you can prepare gourmet meals on your high-end Thermador stove. The kitchen opens into the comfortable family room, complete with wood-burning fireplace and custom mantle. Or find time for yourself in your private study. Number 2, entertainer's dream. Host unforgettable dinners in your spacious dining room. Or enjoy casual conversation in your glorious living room. Number 3, backyard oasis. This backyard is extra special. The private fenced-in level lot is perfect for outdoor living. Host a barbecue on your multi-level patio. Or sit, read, and relax overlooking your beautiful yard. Number 4, location. Where you live matters, and living in this friendly neighborhood has so many advantages. Convenience. Stop into the local farm stands to pick up fresh produce. And it's so close to Warren's downtown. You can enjoy great restaurants, grab a cup of coffee, and food shop for those last-minute dinners. And for the kids, it's just steps away from the school bus stop. Don't you agree? This incredible home has so much to offer. Give me a call for your own private tour.